So when flex men run up in ya, they gunshot up in ya.
Yeah!
They'll take run up in ya.
No, hold on, yo! Select a title has entered the building. Run back to that tune. Yo, you mess up, big up yourself, you know, Rio 5 Fool. Let's mess up. You mess up, people. Select a title has entered the building. MC title has entered the building. You mess up. I the bad man over there, so the bad man over there, so you see me, let's rest up the gun there right now. Rest them up right now. You see me, I say? And guess what? I be a blank on bust on, so the fake gun now. Where's she now? Ready?
So when flex men run up in ya,
bow, bust shot.
They gunshot up in ya.
Shot.
They'll take run up in ya.
Shot.
Jump up in ya. They think rum up in ya. Hey, when flex.
Boom, 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 boom. Bang, bang, boom. Yo! Who they are back? Who they are back? I'm not frightened of blood teeth a while ago. Waking up. I want to feel like I don't think I can sleep. I'm not time for sleep. You see me, I say, right now we got the what? The no flex, the crocodile, what I say? A crocodile? Crocodile K. You guys been spamming this one for a minute too. But I'm telling you, dog. I'm telling you, say, don't give up the fight. Full charge because I'm artist from Jamaica. Yo. I tell you something, I'm doing everything I want to ask for. People, I work a 9 to 5 job, see me. That's why I can't put out a video every hour, pan the hour, like 0.3 FM radio station in Jamaica. Anyway, I say, but everything's gonna come. Everything, wipe and come argument. What error? Blood clear, one and pause. All the videos you guys request is gonna forward. As me I say, guys, so just go on, hold it. No Lego. Hear me, I say no, hold it. And the comments I'm still a go on, are them done. Comment on this video to see your comment in this video that I post. And if you're not subscribed to the boy channel right now, guys, please smash the subscribe button in the face to get notified every time I post a new lit video. And YouTube is not sending out my notifications because, I don't know, maybe I post too much videos. Because, you know, I post 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. You understand me? I try to say I post too much video look like that. So it's only subscribe, touch the bell, and check in on the channel every 3 or 2 or 4 hours for a new video. Because, trust me, may I tell you. Look in the comment section. You can see the fire emoji them, you know. You can see the like button work up too. You know what I say? But guess what? You go run tune! No flex. Alright then. Yeah?
Hey yo, Molly. Time for liquor, blood clot scully.
What?
Hey yo, Casper. Hear them a gas for. See, no, none of them not ready for the war.
Yeah.
None of them boys they not ready for the war.
Let them know.
None of them not ready for the war. None of them boys they not ready for the. Hey, none of them not ready for the. None of them not ready.
Hey, you know saying go bad, you know. Only know the saying go buckle bad, you know. You see the warm up, you see the build up to it. No, they're not ready for the war, yeah. And man take two. Bumbo clad, do you with it, youth?
None of them not ready for the.
Jump in now.
Fucking this.
So when flex men run up in ya, they gunshot up in ya.
Yeah.
They'll take run up in ya.
No, hold on, yo. Select a title has entered the building. Run back to that tune. Yo, you mess up, big up yourself, you know, Rio 5 Fool. Let's mess up. You mess up, people. Select a title has entered the building. MC title has entered the building. You mess up. The bad man over there, so you see me, let's rest up the gun there right now. Rest them up right now. You see me, I say? And guess what? I be a blank on that bust on, so the fake gun now. Where's she now? Ready?
So when flex men run up in ya,
bow, bust shot.
They gunshot up in ya.
Shot.
They'll take run up in ya.
Shot.
Jump up in ya. They think rum up in ya. Hey, when flex men run up in ya,
gun.
They gunshot up in ya.
Hold on, I'm about to shot them at my party. I tell you, I'm a shot for your boss at the party right now. If you have a girl, tell the girl if you got his bar, go get a drink and come back. I'll be a blank here boss at the party. Ready? Ready for boss? Black.
Take run up in ya. It now jump up in ya. They think rum up in ya.
Bow.
Hey, I mean say watch out, me do it and done.
Bow.
Scare with the wrong belly and jump.
God.
They came back to me jump that down.
What?
Flex men no move it, no jam and gun.
What?
You know we love kill people often.
What?
Say watch out, brain fit in coffin. Left them dead like Martin. I me say mash up head and start laughing.
Yeah.
Because you know it's everybody now. Hey, you better do get we man.
Steady. Wait it. Steady point me I sweat too hard, no. I'm talking about the AC, yeah. Hold on, let me cool down a little bit. No, man. Hold on, man. No, sir. You just said when me I fuck some pum pum. I mean, not no pum pum right now. No, sir. Alright. Right tune.
I watch you when the demon come in. Only thing me fear in the place is God in. Running up for the evil, for the
dangerous. We'll fuck up your head like angel dust.
Yeah.
Some gun new, some have rough.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you can fuck with us now. When flex men run up in ya.
Yo, kill it and do
take
it,
gun
alright?
shot up in ya. Don't kill, take run up in ya. It not jump up in ya. The thing rum up in ya. Hey, when flex men run up in ya. Take gun shot
Alright,
up in ya.
yeah, no. My opinion on music. The song bad and everything that, but me not like on the chorus them too long, dog. Come here, so the song is a 4 minute long, dog. But yo, me know some more bars probably there next time because me know some recommend fuck it to me, dog. Cause me I say me rate that from Uno. But dog, the chorus too long, dog. Go on. We set up for 3 songs. I'm gonna ask you 3 songs.
Nah, jump up in ya. The thing rum up in ya.
Say we gun them, head louder than a speaker. Hit the pussy plenty, try run like cheetah.
Yeah.
Hold down like a creature, 3 days later. Him life will expire. Flex men drive by, catch a boy by
Alright,
the toes.
sit there.
We go take him, go skin, gonna bread toast. Your girl see that run fast, quench cheaters. Your life is a dead show and I is the host. Bell buckle, leg bust, body shuffle, feel rough. Body drop is a must, hard slap, hard.
Yeah.
3 shot in your brain, head swell up like hops. Pull up in the Lancer, tilt up in the back, 2 clock, AR-15. Pussy
They
banana,
funny with him.
fill up with steam. Full them up, back up,
Buckle
check
it,
the
dog.
Damn, man.
Yeah. And this will come here for. Are you out of the place? Are you the girl them like? Are you the girl them man? Run tune.
And from the no flex team.
So when flex men run up in ya. Take gun shot up in ya.
Yeah. Cross
Help
language.
in ya.
If I go and play man, me go chop him up fast. Got flash like Waka got gas dead fast. Me go put that body in parts. If you feel it, think could run through the Mackie off he blasted. Mash fire, the body dropping at the GNP pain. Brain off he gun pain. Can you know we
Right.
in this
It's a
nice
vibe.
body
It's a
fly.
whole vibe. Say them have the more song we can check out. Team and 9. Let's watch react to that song there. I'll do that song there tomorrow. No flex. This was no flex after running so. Where's no flex them have? No flex on there so. Brad, Barn, Bad. I recommend that one the hard too, no. I do that too. But yeah man, I left for the right to say with that song. You can go check out the song for yourself. Link to the original song is down below in the description of my video. You me I say,
Bird kite
big
over
up on
plane.
yourself.
Send for the tall thing we long like green flex. Men march out, scary movie
You see
with
me?
a horror. Them feel real
That music video, they don't know some of that running. On the full thing, but
beat it in the face, can fuck
it's a vibe.
I like L-man said boy start run like jobs.
Yeah.
It's a stop, bullet reach faster. Boy
Yeah.
get asthma from me
Yeah.
powder. The
Yeah.
run,
Yeah.
roll
Yeah.
like fucking spider.
You see?
Go like the Eiffel.
Yeah.
Take out the long claim, slap in the pan, bunny rifle.
Big up on the bum buckle, best
She
this is
can't
a boy
shake
tie
it
tie.
behind it.